Afrotopic tutorial, History of Artificial Intelligence, AI. The history of artificial intelligence, AI, is a fascinating and complex topic that spans several disciplines, domains, and applications. AI is generally defined as the ability of machines or systems to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, decision-making, perception, and natural language processing. These main components of AI are explained as follows. Reasoning is the process of drawing logical conclusions from facts and knowledge. AI systems can use different methods of reasoning, such as deductive, inductive, abductive, and analogical reasoning, to solve problems and make decisions. Learning is the process of acquiring new knowledge or skills from data and experience. AI systems can use different methods of learning, such as supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised, and reinforcement learning, to improve their performance and adapt to changing environments. Decision-making is the process of choosing the best action or option among several alternatives. AI systems can use different decision-making methods, such as optimization, search, game theory, and multi-agent systems, to achieve their goals and interact with other agents. Perception is the process of sensing and interpreting the external world. AI systems can use different methods of perception, such as computer vision, speech recognition, natural language processing, and sensor fusion, to understand and communicate with humans and other agents. Natural language processing is the process of analyzing and generating natural language texts and speech. AI systems can use different methods of natural language processing, such as parsing, semantics, pragmatics, dialogue, and generation, to process and produce natural language data. The term artificial intelligence was coined by John McCarthy in 1956, but the idea of creating intelligent machines dates back to ancient times when myths and legends featured automata, golems, and other artificial beings. The modern era of AI research began in the mid-20th century when pioneers such as Alan Turing, Claude Shannon, Marvin Minsky, Herbert Simon, and others proposed and developed the foundations of computation, logic, information theory, cybernetics, and cognitive science. The first AI programs were designed to solve mathematical problems, play chess and checkers, prove theorems, and mimic human behavior. In the 1960s and 1970s, AI research expanded to include natural language understanding, computer vision, knowledge representation and reasoning, planning, and expert systems. These fields faced many challenges and limitations, such as the brittleness of rule-based systems, the complexity of natural phenomena, and the difficulty of scaling up to real-world problems. The 1980s and 1990s witnessed a resurgence of AI research, thanks to the emergence of new paradigms and techniques, such as neural networks, genetic algorithms, fuzzy logic, probabilistic reasoning, and machine learning. These methods enabled AI systems to learn from data and experience, deal with uncertainty and ambiguity, and adapt to changing environments. AI applications also became more widespread and diverse, ranging from speech recognition and natural language processing to computer vision and robotics. The 21st century has seen an explosion of AI research and development, driven by the availability of massive amounts of data, the advances in computing power and hardware, the integration of AI with other disciplines and domains, such as biology, neuroscience, psychology, sociology, economics, and arts, and the increasing demand for intelligent solutions in various sectors and industries. AI is now one of the most active and influential fields of science and technology, with profound implications for society, culture, ethics, and humanity. AI has achieved remarkable feats and breakthroughs in various domains, such as beating human champions in games like chess, Go, and Jeopardy! Recognizing faces and objects in images and videos, generating realistic text and speech from data, translating languages across the world, diagnosing diseases and recommending treatments, driving cars and flying drones autonomously, and composing music and artworks creatively. However, AI also faces many challenges and risks that need to be addressed carefully. Some of these include the ethical dilemmas of creating artificial agents that can affect human lives and values, the social impacts of replacing human workers with machines, the security threats of malicious use or misuse of AI systems, the technical difficulties of ensuring the reliability, robustness, and explainability of AI systems. The philosophical questions of defining the nature and limits of intelligence, and the existential risks of creating super intelligent entities that may surpass or harm human civilization.